Good evening there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nermin and this is my first tutorial, my first video. As I own here Huawei P40 Lite E, triple camera, fingerprint sensor on rear side, 6.4 inches display and so on. I was searching how to pull Google Play Store, Google services on this phone. I found that many people actually are asking and searching for one tutorial like this. Actually, first what you have to do is to check in your phone settings and about the phone. So that's on the bottom, your firmware version. I have ART-L29 this is European version. My build number, so last firmware, last update is 10.1.0.136. This is the most important number, C432. Please be careful. This number is important because some of you will have 185 or some other numbers. When you search a lower version of firmware, please have in mind this is the most important number. Otherwise you could break your phone. So, as you know, Huawei actually blocked Downgrade using their computer software high suit, so we have to use alternative method. We will use Downgrade using microSD card. This method you have in my description, but as many people are asking for this method, I will show you in this video. I put download link for the lower or older firmware version for this model in description of this video. So people, be careful. Only if you have these numbers C432 you can use firmware from my download link.
Dancing to the rhythm, electro is fine. It can get you moving on time. Electro is the new style. Jackie and Jane, see them moving to the bassline. Funkin' on time. Electro, make you feel fine. Open your mind, feel it from the inside. Heartbeat on time. Electro is the rhythm. Michael and James, they can't get no better out of the floor. See them grooving to the bassline. Funkin' on time. Electro is the new style. Funkin' on time. Electro, make you feel fine. Open your mind, feel it from the inside. It's fine. It can get you moving on time. Electro is the new style. Jackie and Jane, see them moving to the bassline. Funkin' on time. Electro, make you feel fine. Open your mind, feel it from the inside. Funkin' on time. Bum, 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 bum.
Can tell by the look in your eyes. Can tell by the look in your eyes. Just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see you're my delight? Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Give me tonight. My feeling is just so right, Lady, I just feel like I feel love for the first time.
After you put your microSD card into your phone with the load folder, you have to do steps like described in description of the video, but I will show you here. You have to dial number 2846579. Now don't worry if I was too fast. All method is described in description, so you will see the number. Now you choose number 4, software upgrade, this, and memory card upgrade. Are you sure? Okay. Now after we installed Downgrade lower firmware, I will show you about the phone. As you can see, it's C432, but now actually I found on the internet only version with E2 R2P1. Actually last version was R1P1, and I was afraid if this not is going to work, but actually I risked and I now have lower version 10.1.0.115. Actually that is the only version where we can install LzPlay app. This is the purple G app.
Ba-da-bum-bum, bum-bum, bum-ba-da-bum-bum, bum-bum, bum-bum, bum-ba-da-bum.